Oke, halo kelas, good morning.
Good morning.
Oke, before we start our class today, ada baiknya kita berdoa dulu ya.
Ya, Miss.
Doanya dalam hati masing-masing aja ya.
Iya.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, alhamdulillah. Udah kan doanya?
Udah, Miss.
Oke, before we start our class, Miss mau ngabsen kalian dulu ya. Ini hadir semua nggak? Ada yang nggak datang nggak? Miss
Hadir
panggil
semua.
ya.
Ya, Miss.
Fahira Herlambang.
Present, Miss.
Fauzanala.
Present.
Nur Ainun.
Present, Miss.
Naina Sumita.
Hadir, Miss Naina.
Present ya? Oke,
Ya.
Okay. So today we discuss about descriptive text. Before Miss explain what is descriptive text, apa sih descriptive text itu? Sebelumnya ada nggak dari kalian yang tahu, yang pernah dengar descriptive text itu?
Pernah, Miss. Pernah dengar.
Oke, pasti pernah lah ya descriptive text. Jadi kali ini Miss bakalan ngejelasin about descriptive text. Coba share screen-nya, next slide. Okay, the first Miss explain about about the definitions of descriptive text. Jadi descriptive text itu descriptive text is a text which tell us what a person or a thing style, describe the character of a person, animal, place, or thing. Jadi descriptive text ini yaitu teks yang menjelaskan kepada kita tentang suatu benda, misalnya mendeskripsikan karakteristik orang, hewan, tempat, atau suatu benda. Jadi what is the purpose of descriptive text itu? Jadi, the purpose of descriptive text is to describe someone or something specially to the readers, particular or details. Jadi, purpose yaitu tujuan lah ya. Jadi, tujuannya itu untuk mendeskripsikan dan mengungkap orang-orang, benda, tempat makan, ataupun benda-benda tertentu lainnya. Next slide, tolong. Nah, here Miss would to explain about object of writing. Jadi object of writing dari descriptive text ini ada 5. The first is people around us. The second is things around us. The third is tourism place, city or country. And the fourth is company profile. And the last is biography of a most or successful person. Jadi itu dia object writing dari descriptive text itu ya. Sampai sini paham nggak anak-anak Miss? Do you understand, guys?
Understand.
Understand.
Okay, next slide. Nah, sekarang Miss akan menjelaskan tentang generic structure of descriptive text. So, generic structure of descriptive text has two generic structure. The first is identifications. Identifications, it's a part of paragraph which introduce or identifies the character. Jadi di identifikasi ini yaitu berisi pendahuluan umum tentang orang, tempat hewan, atau suatu objek yang akan dideskripsikan. And the second is descriptions. Descriptions is a part of paragraph which describe the character. Sedangkan kalau deskripsi ini yaitu pada bagian deskripsi berisi ciri-ciri atau sifat-sifat yang terdapat dalam benda, orang, atau binatang yang penulis jelaskan gitu. Selanjutnya tolong. Nah, sekarang Miss akan menjelaskan tentang language feature of descriptive text. Ada nggak yang mau baca ini nih? Language feature of descriptive text-nya.
Yang mana ini, Miss? Yang it usually.
Iya. Nala mau
Saya,
bacain?
Saya.
Oke, Nala.
Miss. Saya, Miss.
Oke, Nala, baca ya.
Ya. It usually use present tense in sentence. It usually use some adjective in many sentence. It usually in the first person. Apa ini bacanya? POV and or in the third person POV.
Oke, thank you, Nala. So, di sini Miss akan menjelaskan tentang yang tiga-tiga itu. Pasti belum pada paham kan arti dari yang tiga itu?
Enggak,
Belum,
Miss.
Biar Miss jelaskan. Oke. Coba slide sebelumnya lagi. Biar Miss jelaskan itu tiga. Oke, the first is has it's usually use present tense in sentence. Jadi di descriptive text itu biasanya itu menggunakan present tense ya. Present tense itu menggunakan kata kerja dasar atau bentuk pertama atau verb one ya, serta menggunakan kata kerja yang dapat menunjukkan kepemilikan atau keadaan sebuah objek. Nah, descriptive text menggunakan present tense karena descriptive text menceritakan sebuah fakta dari objek yang dideskripsikan. Misalnya my office has 22 floors, queen is pretty, dan lain-lainnya lagi. Dan yang kedua is usually use some adjective in many sentence. Jadi biasanya itu menggunakan terdapat adjektif yang banyak di dalam setiap kalimat. And the last is it's usually in the first person POV or in the third person POV. Jadi biasanya itu dia tuh terdapat sudut pandang dari karakter utama dan sudut pandang dari penulis itu sendiri. Sampai situ, anak-anak Miss?
Miss.
Miss.
Oke. Next slide. Okay, so here Miss have some example from descriptive text. So I want to Fahira Herlambang read the example.
Okay,
The title
Miss.
is Paris. Fahira Herlambang, please.
Yes, Miss. Paris. Paris is the capital city of France. It is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. It is also one of the world's most crowded cities. Lovely gardens and parks are found throughout Paris. At night, many palaces and statues are lit up. For this reason, Paris is often called the city of light. Every year, millions of people visit Paris. The most popular place to visit is the Eiffel Tower. This huge structure has become the symbol of Paris. The library, one of the world's large art museums, draws many visitors. The Cathedral of Notre Dame, a famous church, is another favorite place to visit. Because of its beauty, Paris is also called as the most romantic city in the world that is suitable for honeymoon destination. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Fahira. Next slide. Nah, tadi kan Miss udah explanation ya tentang generic structure-nya, yaitu kan have two generic structure. The first is identifications. Nah, as you can see in the our PPT, identifications from Paris until to the light, ya, as you can see guys. Jadi tadi kan identification-nya itu tentang menjelaskan tentang berisi ciri-ciri khusus atau sifat-sifat yang berisi pengenalan dari apa yang sedang kita jelaskan. Nah, di situ kan dia tuh menjelaskan tentang apa sih Paris itu gitu kan. Paris itu terletak di mana sih gitu kan. And the next is about the descriptions. Descriptions itu kan berisi ciri-ciri khusus atau sifat-sifat yang terdapat dalam suatu cerita ya atau apapun itu. Nah, as you can see guys, di description-nya itu menjelaskan tentang hal-hal apa yang terdapat di dalam di Paris itu gitu kan. Nah, like simbol apa sih yang ada di Paris itu gitu. Pokoknya dia itu menjelaskan tentang ciri-ciri dari Paris itu. Sampai situ paham? Do you understand, guys?
Understand, Miss.
Miss.
Okay. Next slide. Okay. Tadi we are discussions about some place Paris. Now we are talk about descriptive text, explain person, and our title is best friend Lina. So I want to Fauzana Al-Farhain read the example. Title Lina.
Okay, Miss. Lina is my best friend. She is a junior high school student. She is in the 2nd grade now and she is a smart student. Her school is on Crocodile Street. The school has 20 classrooms and 1 library. It also is a wide schoolyard. Lina and her friends like to play in the schoolyard. It is fun to play there. She likes English lesson very much. She thinks English is fun and challenging. Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Nala. Oke, Nala kan udah baca itu. Jadi kan di situ belum ditunjukkan where is the identifications or where is the descriptions. Jadi siapa di sini yang bisa menentukan where is the identification-nya? Ada nggak yang bisa menentukan dari mana ke mana sih identifikasinya gitu?
Identification. Fahira, Miss, I wanna try.
Okay, Fahira.
Right, Miss. Identification about descriptive text about my best friend. For the Lina is my best friend until Crocodile Street, Miss.
Crocodile Street. Okay. Good, Fahira. Thank you for tell your friend what is the identifications from the story. Yang bisa nentuin deskripsinya, Nala bisa nggak? Mana sih deskripsinya gitu?
paham, Miss? Masih bingung?
Oke, Miss bakalan tunjukin di mana sih descriptions-nya gitu. As we know, descriptions contains a descriptions of something such as animal, things, place, or persons by describing in features, forms, colors, or anything real to what the writer describes. So the descriptions from the story is from Lina and her friends until English is fun and challenging. Jadi mungkin dari penjelasan Miss, kalian itu udah paham lah ya, karena udah bisa menentukan where is the identifications, where is the descriptions, gitu kan?
Yes,
Bener nggak
Miss.
Fahira? Udah paham
Ya.
kan? Apalagi Fahira nih. Jadi Miss rasa sampai sini aja ya penjelasan Miss. Dan untuk pertemuan kita next week, I want you guys make some story about descriptive text. Up to you guys. It's about storytelling your pet in your home, or your make story about your friend, or you can describe your mother or your friend or anything else. Bisa kan? Can you guys
Bisa.
Bisa, Miss.
make a homework about descriptions text?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, I want you guys make your descript about your mom or your family, and one assignment is about describe about your boyfriend or your best friend or your pet. Okay.
Not have boyfriend, Miss. We are not have boyfriend.
sure,
I'm single
Fahira?
forever.
Okay. I'm just kidding. Okay. I
Yes,
think
Miss.
our class today it's enough. Thank you for your participations to my class. Don't forget to collect your assignment next week.
Of course, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, guys.
Have a nice
Assalamualaikum
day,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh, Miss.
wabarakatuh. Thank you.